Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on how to use some of the lesser known functions of Power BI. Today we are going to be using the tree map to look at some data about a fake oil company that I made. The purpose of the tree map is essentially to take data and create a visualization that allows us to see just how much larger one kind of data is than another. And that'll make a lot of sense once I drag in our information. So we're going to take annual sales, bring it down into value. We're going to take industry and put it in group. So now we can see that all the different kinds of oil products are on the screen, and then we have their fake revenue amounts as well. So we can see that Power BI doesn't automatically add the commas into that data for us. So we're going to come over here to data. We're going to come up to the top and go to modeling. I'm going to click on annual sales, highlight the whole column. Then I'll just be able to come up here to the dollar sign, currency general, and we'll get all our commas in there. So then we'll come back to report. And now when we hover over gasoline, we can see that the amount is $5 billion. When we come down to plastics, the smallest part, we can see that plastics is $50 million of annual sales. So clearly the tree map just gives us a visualization of how much bigger 5 billion is than 50 million. So if we wanted to be even more precise, we could come up to the slicer, shrink it down a little bit, bring it to the bottom, and now we can drag industry into our slicer field. I'll keep gasoline on the screen. I'll come down. I'm going to hit Control now, and I'm going to click waxes, which will allow me to select both gasoline and waxes, keep them in the tree map, and now we can see the gasoline is this whole big block, and $100 million of waxes are this tiny sliver over here. So I'll hit Control again. I'll add plastics in just for fun, and we can see the 50 million. So the tree map's main purpose is just to help us visualize the size of data compared to other data sets in a similar situation. So in this case, it's annual sales by industry, but you could do it for any other total breakdown that you wanted to get a visual of.